Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're gonna make cheesy chicken drumsticks. I'm gonna start by boiling the potatoes. I have one onion, I'm gonna chop it. And in a pan, add some oil and fry the onion for like 5 minutes. Add the drumsticks and season with some salt and pepper. After that, add some water and leave them to cook for like 20 minutes. When the potatoes are done, take them out and leave them to cool down. When the chicken is almost done, I will add some bacon for extra smoke taste. And I'm gonna fry them for like 5 minutes. Chicken and bacon is done. Transfer them into a plate and leave them to cool down. Now in a bowl, mash the potatoes. Then separate the meat from the bones. Chop the meat and add it into the bowl. Chop the bacon as well. Season with some salt. Pepper. Ground garlic, 1 teaspoon. And half of teaspoon of ground paprika. And mix them all together. Make sure you clean up the bones. Then chop some parsley. And our mixture is done. I have some mozzarella, I'm gonna dice it. Now let's do the drumsticks. Spread the mixture as much as you can. Add the cheese in the middle. I have 2 types of cheese, cheddar cheese and mozzarella. Take the clean bone and put it in the middle and create the drumsticks. Now let's prepare to fry them. Crack 2 eggs and season with some salt. Beat them together. Take the drumsticks and dip it in the flour. Make sure it's all covered. Then in our eggs. And final part with the breadcrumbs. Now in a preheat oil, dip the drumsticks and leave them to fry for like 5 minutes. When they have the nice golden color, take them out and leave them to cool down on a paper towel. And our cheesy chicken drumsticks are ready. Let's taste them out. Mmm, delicious. Bon appetit! Please like and subscribe if you liked the video, and see you in the next one. Bye!